I'm sure a lot of you are facing this problem. Every time I build a website with AI, I find myself jumping between multiple services to host it and connect the database and make it functional. And on top of all that, you still need more services for SEO and analytics. Then when everything is done and published, maintaining it and updating it is a complete mess. Today, I'm gonna show you what I think is the best implementation of AI so far. Framer AI solved all those problems for me. It was already a very powerful all-in-one website builder, but now with AI agents, I can truly work on everything in one place. In this video, I'm not just telling you what it can do, I'm rebuilding my own website to show you what it takes to go from idea to a complete published website using Framer AI agents. My name is Jad. This is where I share my AI workflows for building products. And today I partnered with Framer to rebuild my own website from scratch. If you're watching this video, you can benefit from 30% off on the annual Pro plan. That's what I'm personally doing. Click the link in the description and enter code AITooltip1 to get started. I already showed you in a previous video how I built my website with Framer, but over time it has become messy and my vision has changed. I want to implement new features and I have a new design direction for the UI. Normally this is the kind of design that I would keep putting off because there are so many small pieces to manage. But now with Framer AI, this whole process has become quick and easy. So I can focus more on the design and the agents will do the manual work. Here's the plan. I will start with a new design direction to create a style guide. Then I will build the homepage. Then I'll refine the design and the components to my liking. I'll also add new functionality to generate custom workflows based on my CMS. Then I'll fix my CMS collections. Then I'll polish the interactions and the animations. And finally, I'll make sure the SEO is properly set up, and then I'll publish my final website. Here are the new requirements that I have for my website. I have all the details that I care about in this document. I'm gonna start by copying the visual requirements first. Then after that, we'll get into the functionality. In Framer, there's a new agent tab. I'm gonna let it know that I want to rebuild the whole website. And I'll ask for a style guide to start with. I'll paste my requirements here. That way I'll make sure that all the styles and colors are set up before I build the UI. You can see here it automatically used the style guide skill, but you can select a skill before you prompt if you're looking for something specific. All you have to do is type the / and then you'll see all the different skills, like working with components or CMS or analytics. You can also type the @ symbol and then you can call a specific page or component or collection. Now while it's working, you can click follow to see the page and what it's working on. You'll notice at the top, it automatically created a new branch, but you can also manually create a new branch by clicking on the plus button. And there we go, we have a full style guide. I'm gonna review what the agent created and I will adjust it based on my own taste and my brand and my goals. This part is important because the agent is not replacing my judgment. It's speeding up the manual work and giving me something to edit and modify based on my own taste. Here I forgot to add the accent colors, so I'll paste those colors here and ask it to add them. And there we go, the agent added all of the remaining colors. And I'm happy with the style guide. Now let's start building the new homepage. I'm gonna give the agent my requirements and tell it to start building. You notice here how it knows to look at the style guide to build a new UI, and you can watch what it's doing live. You can see how it's reasoning through this prompt. And there we go, it gave me a new homepage that fits my new brand guides. This is a great result from just one prompt. I can go through it and adjust what I need manually or ask for changes. Okay, I see some things that I want to modify here. Here I requested a functionality to generate a workflow based on the user intent and my CMS collection. So it created this in a block of code that it generated. I can use the side panel to control the properties, or I can ask the agent to do the changes. But I'll worry about this part later. Now I want to continue refining the homepage. I asked for some changes, and I asked for all the design specs from my style guide to be implemented as reusable styles and colors. And I wanted to delete the old ones. That way I can keep my project clean. And you can see those styles and colors in the assets panel. It did all of that, but I see here there's one of the old colors remaining. I'll just delete that. Now let's refine the hero section. It feels too crowded with a lot of redundant info and text and content. I want it to be more simple and straight to the point to guide the user through the UI. And there we go, that looks much better. And I'm going to delete the sections that I don't want. And now I want to add a newsletter section. I'll just ask the agent to do that. And there we go, we have a new section and it's right on brand. I'll also ask for an animation in the hero section to reflect the design that I had in mind. I want a radar style UI to represent the tools in an orbiting animation. And there we go, it looks great so far. Let's test the screens now to see if it's properly responsive. I noticed here the hero section is getting cut off at the higher width. I'll just manually fix that. There we go. Perfect. Now I want to fix my CMS collection because it includes things that I don't need anymore in the new design. I added the CMS skill here and I wrote what I need to change. The agent is now changing the content of my whole CMS collection. This is amazing. Alright, now I'm at a place where I'm satisfied with my homepage, and this was all done in a separate branch. I can see the before and after here by switching the branches. And now I'm ready to merge my new design to the main branch. If you have a lot of visitors, make sure you finalize everything before publishing to the live site. Now I'm not publishing, but I'm merging to the main branch. That means all of the changes are going to be applied to my main design. Now let's fix the functionality of that coded element in the header. I feel like this is a complex task, so I'm gonna connect my MCP to help me work on it. And you can follow the guide on Framer's website to connect your own AI coding tool. I'm using Codex here. And this is very useful if you have local files and folders on your computer that you want to import to your CMS collection, or if you have complex tasks that you want to work on. Now I'm using it here because I want to implement AI in the functionality of this feature. So I'm gonna start working with Codex right now. I'm gonna check if it's connected. All good. Now here's my prompt. I asked for UI and functionality changes, and I'll just let it do the work. And here we go, it's done working. Let's test it out. This is great. It understood exactly what I need and it did all the changes. Now let's optimize the SEO and performance and accessibility. I'll let the agent work on all of that. These agents can literally do anything. There we go. It's showing me everything the agent worked on, and I can see the changes in the settings of the project. I can also see everything that changed in the branch because it created a new branch. I'm happy with everything. I'm gonna merge the changes into the main branch, and then I'll publish the website. Now I'm gonna update the rest of the pages to make sure the whole website is flowing smoothly. And yeah, this took me a few hours and the quality is great. This redesign would have taken me a week before these AI agents were introduced. I really just saved a week of manual work. And I've been using a lot of AI recently, so manual work seemed a little too primitive to me. But with those AI tools that I'm using, I would be jumping between different tools. And instead, now Framer agents are bringing my whole process into one visual workspace. Amazing results. Plus, I love how I have complete control over the generated elements and I can modify them in the properties panel. The website is live now if you want to check it out, but I still need to enter all of my data in there in the CMS. I only have about 10 tools in there. But depending on when you're watching this video, it might be fully updated with my new data. And if you're as impressed as I am with this new implementation of AI, I advise you to go ahead and try it. It's gonna change the way you work. Don't forget to use the link in the description and use my coupon code for a huge discount. Let me know what you think of these agents, and if you have any questions, I answer everything down in the comments as usual. Cheers.